Hello everyone. Today is my husband's birthday. So today we are going to celebrate his birthday in Lee Meridian. It's a very beautiful place. So actually we are thinking to have it little different this time. So we plan to have a lunch in latest recipe. We have been to that restaurant for last like two times at least, right? Yeah, we have been there for twice, but this is our third time. So I want to show you like what all buffet they are providing, what all cuisines they are serving, and I'm sure you will love it because we have loved it so far, right? So let's go. Okay, let's start with the Asian counter. यहाँ पे सबसे पहले है sliced fish in black pepper sauce. Let me show you. Tossed lemongrass chicken and noodles. Spicy chogarashi noodles. So Asian में और यहाँ पे कुछ dumplings and all है. If you want, you can ask them to prepare by yourself. Then we can see there are sushi. This is vegetable sushis. These are sushi tuna roll, and this is crab stick sushi. These are the sides. You can make sushi here. यहाँ पे आपको अलग अलग सीजनिंग मिलेंगे. This is soup, toysome soup. Jasmine rice. This is some curry named as Bagan Vietnamese yellow curry. Thai style bok choy tofu. अच्छा दिख रहा है. Let's move to the cheese selection counter now. So they have different type of cheese and salad dressings. Then pita bread, bacon with the pot salad. They have chicken pistachio, baked fish, and roasted chicken with exotic vegetables. Let's move to another counter. That is Italian counter. तो यहाँ पे आपको Italian obviously pizza as usual मिलेगा, and then you can ask for pasta, and they can prepare live pasta here on the counter. And in Italian we have pea seared fish and sedge butter sauce. This is chicken cacciatore, lyonnaise potato, vegetable au gratin. Maybe I may be pronouncing some of the items wrongly. Turkish imam, by Italy. Looks like, oh, okay, looks like brinjal. And there are different type of breads. Chicken tonka, what is this? Green pea mint soup. We'll try everything. And these are the dressing for soup. Then comes this Indian counter. So what will be having in the counter here is, this is firecracker chicken. Firecracker chicken, wow. Achari fish tikka, ठीक है, you know. Afghani soya chop, yes, common thing. Then veg toast, spicy. This is crispy veggies. And then there are other things like different sides, like popcorn, chips and all. They have this Malabar veg curry. Rotis. Hi. Chicken chettinad with Malabar paratha. And salads. Let's come to this Kerala fish curry. Mutton peshawari. Chicken biryani, everybody's favorite. Jeera pulao, ठीक है, jeera pulao, yeah. I'm not eating. Dal panchmel, ये बढ़िया dal panchmel. I think I've covered most of the dishes which is there. There's steamed rice, kathal masala sabzi, palak corn, aloo bhatori, and kadai paneer. I just miss these things, kind of sides, salad and raita. There are multiple raita, different type of things like papri chaat, plain raita, garlic chutney, different salads, lettuce. I hope you are seeing that yeah, they have a lot of variety. We have always seen that they have all like lot of variety in this New Meridian. Let's go to the beautiful section, which is Dessert section, yummy. Long gulab jamun, red velvet slice, chule, pastry. सीधा मूसू ये कुछ डिफरेंट है eclair बढ़िया लग रहा है chocolate rollage and there's hot chocolate pudding. Let's come. There are some more things here. They have gulab jamun as well. If you love Indian foods, then dry fruit kheer, kesar firni, some good fruit items. They have this chia seeds pudding. If you are into healthy food, ice creams. Let's see what my husband got for his plate. Asian, all Asian. Sushi, noodles, amazing. Let's see. So each and let us know how it is. Yep. I made an Italian plate for myself with a spoon. सब खाने के बाद मैं लेकर आई हूँ इंडियन प्लेट. Our bill was 5,900 for two people, but because we have booked through Easy Dinner, we got a discount of 3,392 and paid 2,700 approx. And if we talk about the rating of the food, I like the Italian food most. The chicken pizza was also tasty, and there were so many different varieties of cuisines which I loved it personally, and I will give 4 rating for entire set including desserts. How about you?
Momo. I like the Asian and the continental salads the most. There were so many varieties of cheese in the continental salad, and there was sushi in Asian. There was fish, and ultimately, I would rate the food 4.5 out of 5.
So time to wrap up. We really had a amazing lunch. We have a tummy full. Now we feel like sleeping, but no, we have extra things to do because it is his birthday, right? Say something. He is in sleeping mode, so he's driving while he's sleeping. But no worries, he will awake in 2-3 minutes after reaching to the next destination. Yay! Woo!